What's going on, Trader Gang? Good morning. Happy Friday to you guys. We're back at it again, live trading. This is day 5 of our $50 account. So we're currently at $41.11 on the account. So we're going to try to see if we can get this back up to $50 so we can start next week back up fresh. So we'll see what we can do today. So show some love in the chat for me. So I'm going to share my screen right now. We're going to do our quick markup. So we got about 4 minutes till market opens. If we can't get another dub for the day. So again, we're looking for bias. So this is on the 1 hour. So of course, we're starting to see kind of another shift. So it looks like we're trying to push to the upside now because we're respecting this level of demand. So let's mark up our London high and low. No, I didn't do yellow. I did this color. Yeah. We got our London high. Got our London low. And then we want to mark up our hourly high and low. This one will still do this color. We got our hourly high. And then our hourly low is still right where London low is. All right. So it looks like we could make a push up to at least here. So we could try to push up here or even to the previous weekly high. So we're going to go down to the 5 minute. This is a nice strong candle here. So this is our target right here. Probably like right here. So we already have our bias. We're going to drop down to the 1 minute. So we're just going to basically just wait for breakout right here. So, or we could take out liquidity right here. So we'll see. So we can see price pushed up. So we're going to see if we get a rejection here. So just gotta see. So because also we got to look here. We're also kind of consolidated, so we don't want that. We got to have either a breakout to here or close this out right here. So take this all out. We don't want to be in this consolidation. We could easily take liquidity all the way up here also. But this is still a good indication right here. We had a nice rejection right here. The price could easily push up here. Just got to get a nice confirmation. Yeah, like that's a good confirmation right there. So I'm gonna take a. I'm gonna wait a little bit. So we tapped into hourly high right here. So now we have London high all the way up here. So I'll wait for a pullback. I'll say good morning on Instagram here. What's going on, Trade Gang? Good morning. Happy Friday to you guys. We're currently looking for a position right now. I think we're going to look for sells, even though we have a bullish bias on the higher time frame. So if you guys see here, this is on the 1 minute. So of course, price is trying to make a decision. If you look on the 1 hour here, so we're kind of consolidated right here. But we did have a few rejections here at this demand zone. So I still think that we could push all the way up to at least right here, which is at around 36.72. So we're just going to wait for that confirmation. I think we need to break above this London high right here to get confirmation. Otherwise, I think we're going to pull back into this London low and hourly low. What's going on, Freddie? So I'll update you guys once we get into a trade. So stay tuned. Update you guys once we get into. So stay tuned. Also, guys, I am live right now again. So this is day 5 of my $50 account. So if you guys want to trade with me, tap in. Link is in my bio. So on my YouTube channel. So tap in with me. Also, guys, I am live right now again. All right. So we're gonna wait patiently. I think we can push up here. This is a nice candle right here. Yeah, since this is bullish, I like that. Like you just need to wait for a breakout or a pullback here. This is very choppy. Very choppy. 'Cause I don't want to get into a buy position. We tap into a London high and then it just literally reverses. So just tapped into or almost a London high. So right here we also made some equal highs almost. So we'll see if price can push past it. So we're getting a rejection right here off the London high. Yeah, if we zoom out like we have been neglecting to do sometimes, we could see we're just in consolidation right here. We need to wait for a break above, or of course we can we can take some of this, so we can capitalize on this consolidation and push all the way to the downside. We need to see what it wants to do. You see right here, we got this choppiness. Need to wait for a breakout. Yeah, we need a breakout above this London high here. So where did we get this push down right here? So yeah, this was yesterday. So yesterday we pushed all the way down here, came up, made higher highs, came down. During Asian session, we were pretty bullish, came down, and then just literally started consolidating in London session. So I mean, we did pull down, and then of course came back up New York session. So now I think we need to. I think we're going to see continuation. So we're just waiting for price to continue to go up. Yeah, see, that's a good sign right here. Like I could literally take a long, put stops below here, and then target our original TP. We just need to have stronger confirmation. But this is a nice demand zone right here. So see if we get a pullback right into the zone. See to get some more buyers in the market. I don't know if we can push all the way up to here. Might be able to push up to here at least. Yeah, so this was an area of demand, area of resistance. Yeah, we just had a huge push to the downside. That's why we just gotta wait, guys. So price might break out to the downside now on the lower time frame. Take out liquidity. Be a 1 to 3. Yeah, prices are still choppy. Yeah, I don't like this. We're stuck in this chop. So even though we were having kind of another change of structure, we still haven't broken above this. So, I mean, we still could pull down. So just gotta wait and see here. On a 15-minute, we got a doji right here, rejection off the pretty close to the London high. So I mean, we could push all the way down here, take out London low, and even take out here. So, but see this chop? Super choppy. Yeah, we're gonna respect this demand zone right here. Continue to push up. Yeah, it's just choppiness. So we're waiting. Let's see what Euro USD is doing. Okay. So same thing. We have a doji right here, which looks like price is trying to push up. So kind of a change of character, but the trend is still bearish. Still have a bearish trend. So, but price is trying to push up. So that's actually good for buys right now. So because we are making higher highs. So we could probably target up here. Put your stops right here. Target right up here. Be a nice 1 to 2. Okay, looks like we got to push up. It's good. We got that nice rejection right here. Yeah. Beautiful. So like I said, we can take longs right here. Put our stops probably like right here. And then go ahead and target that. So 1 to 3. Yeah, I like that. So I'm gonna take a buy right here. Oh, nice. I'm gonna actually put my stops right here. Let's see, because I got in at 36.58.63. All right, we're in buys, guys. So price could tap into right here, or we can go all the way up here. Well, we'll see. We can look here on the 15 minute, we kind of broke out here, which is good. 30 minute, we broke out. Hourly, we have a nice push to the upside. It might get a little pullback. So we'll see. Update here. All right, gang. So we got into a buy position. So you can see here, price broke out. So price broke out above this candle right here, even on the higher time frame. This is on the 30 minute. We had a nice breakout of this consolidation right here. So we're going to target this level right here, which is at 36.65, or even try to shoot for 36.72. So we're going to see where price pushes up. All right, gang. So we got. All right, gang. We get a nice continued push up. So we broke the London high, which is good. I don't think we're gonna pull back from that, to be honest. I think we're only gonna push it up. So, because again, we changed the market structure right here. So we were bearish. Now we're respecting this demand zone right here. So we're trying to push up. But we are getting some choppiness here. We need a nice push up here. This is another area of supply. So this would be like TP1, TP2, TP3. So we'll see. Just gonna trust the trade. There we go. Nice push up. There we go. Beautiful. That was nice. Okay, so we smashed TP1. We're shooting for TP2 right now. So right now I can definitely put stops at break even. All right, guys. So we're in a risk-free trade right now. So we're about to smash TP2. TP1, TP2. And TP3 would be up here. So I definitely think we can still hit TP2. So we're getting a little rejection right here. But that's okay. So I try to let the trade play out. Yeah, I think we can definitely hit TP2, maybe TP3. I don't know if I want to hold it that long. Because I'm risking 0.01, so I can't like leave a runner or anything. But we're just trusting the trade here. Should be able to hit at least TP2. Be close to a 1 to 3 reward. I'll push this to a 1 to 3. Yeah. See if we can hit a 1 to 3. So we have our stops at break even. So even if it doesn't work out, all good. But we have good price action right now. So price is trying to push down. We'll see if price comes to this area right here because we have an area of supply right here, so a resistance area. So like I said, if it goes in reverse, it'll just be a break even trade. I'll be right back, chat. All right, looks like we tapped into London high again. See if we have enough to push off of that. I got really close to my break even. So let's see if we can't push off of that. That's crazy. Literally at that London high. Yeah, it looks like price is trying to push down. So if we get stopped out, that's okay. We'll look for another entry and then we'll know where our bias is. But I mean, price is bullish on at least the 30-minute. Because like we came up, came down, came up, came down. So a little bit of choppiness, but overall, we made a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So we'll see. I went to grab some coffee, so cheers to y'all. I don't know, guys. We might get stopped out. Price might want to come all the way down, but we'll see if it respects this London high. There you go. Price is trying to push. Price is trying to push back up. We'll see. There we go. We got some buyers in the market. There we go. Nice push up. There we go. This is, guys, this is where patience comes in. I hope we can hit TP2. So I know we got some buyers in the market, and I mean, I'm just honestly following market structure, guys. So if you guys look here, just again, market structure. You know, price, we were consolidated right here. We broke out, had a little bit of a pullback, and I think price is going to continue to go up. So I think we can at least target 36.66 right here. So we'll see. So, but it's just right now, it's a battle of the buyers and sellers. So price pushed up, we got a rejection. So I don't know. But that was a nice push up. But we could get stopped out right here. And that's okay. Because our stops are break even. So it's okay. So we won't lose anything. But who knows? Price might consolidate right here until we continue to go back up. Because we are getting a little choppy right here. So it's a battle of the bears and bulls right now. Like, what does price want to do? You're gonna fight against market structure. Because with trading, guys, like there's buyers and sellers. So if you're buying, there's somebody that's selling. So that's trying to push this price down. But if there's enough buyers in the market, it's going to respect it and it's going to keep pushing it up. So one person's going to win, one person's going to lose. So we'll see who it's going to be. Yeah, see right here, we're super choppy right now. We need to have another breakout to the upside. So we can see so far, so price rejected multiple times here, respected the London high, came right here, respected London high again. So okay, we're having a push down. So we'll see if we get stopped out right here. It's just super choppy. If we can stay above this London high right here, we should be good. So if we can stay above this. But if we break it, then we're gonna take this out, and then maybe it might even. Yeah, so I just got stopped out, guys. Okay. So we got stopped out there. Yeah, so price might push down. So we came to the hourly low, broke it. So, because I mean, if you look at the grand scheme of things here, we're still bearish overall. So price wanted to push up a little bit, and it might continue to fall. So I mean, we could get into a sell here, but I would want to wait because if we do, I can get in probably somewhere here and take it all the way down to the hourly low. I have my stops above this previous high right here. Or even above here. Wait for this pullback. And we can take out all this. I'm gonna see how this candle closes, and then maybe I'll take a. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for a sell, guys. All right, I'm gonna sell. So I'm gonna put my stops above here. We're gonna target the hourly low and the London low. See, so I got in at 26.56.39. So of course we're gonna have a little bit of a pullback right here because we are at a previous demand zone. So we'll see. So we're pushing down. So we have a double top right here. So we'll see if we can push all the way down to here because again, on the hourly, you got to look at it like this. We're still bearish. We didn't break. We haven't broken above here. So I mean, price could still push up here, but we'll see. I took a loss of 3 cents. Or oh no, I had a profit of 4 cents. So okay. So we'll see. Let's say price still trying to push up. We'll see if we break above this. because I'm okay putting my stop loss up here. Okay, price broke above. So I'll put my stops above here, see if price breaks it. If it does, then we'll get out. That'll be it for the day. So yeah, it looks like prices, yep, huge rejection on the 15-minute. Yeah, we got hit right there. We'll get out. All right, so we got out. We got stopped out. So it looks like price wants to continue to push up. So I'm gonna take one last trade, guys. So this will be it. So you know, this will confirm my original bias. I'm taking a long. I'm still gonna shoot for that 1 to 3. I'll put my stops right here below this candle, and we'll try to shoot for that 1 to 3. So I got in at 36.60, 105. It'll still be a 1 to 4. So looks like my original bias was correct. We just had a pullback. So this gave us a good indication. Huge rejection right here on the 15-minute, 30-minute, even bigger rejection. So it's only going to continue to push us up. So I definitely think we can hit TP3. So I don't know if we'll be able to get higher than that. So, but we could definitely tap into the previous weekly high, which is up here, or it's actually up here, 36.75. So we'll see. So on that last trade, we took a loss really quick. Took a loss of 434. So trying to make that back. Plus a little bit more. So this was kind of a dumb trade right here. So we're up almost $3. I gotta hop off this live soon. Try to get ready for work. But let's see if we can hit TP3. So it's almost 7:30. So of course, um, the session has already made its direction. So I think we're just going to continue to push up. So I'm gonna pretty much. I think I'm gonna just let this ride. I'll put my stops at break even and just kind of let it ride and see how far it can push up. Wait till we hit TP2. What did Euro USD do? Oh, we got a little choppy here, but we still came up all the way up to here. Didn't get stopped out, so we just kind of ranged. But I think price can still tap into this area right here. This is a nice area of interest. I think Euro USD can make it up there. So gold is trying to push. Yeah, so we're up $3. I'll show you guys on my liquid charts. Yeah, up almost $4. So we're almost making back our loss. So if you see here, we took a loss of $4.34. So we'll try to make that back plus a little bit more. Yeah, once we break above uh, TP2 right here. Oh, there we go. Nice push up. I'll put my stops at break even. I can put my stops at break even right now, actually. So we'll put stops at break even. I'll put it right here. And then we'll just let the rest run. So we made back our loss already, or almost. 441 was our loss. We're going a little bit higher time frame, like a 5 minute. Yeah, there we go. I want to target up here. Yeah, I definitely think we can push all the way up here. And then next would be right here. This would be TP3, I think. Like that. So we'll see if we can stay afloat. So if we can't, then we'll have another break even, and we'll just take our loss. So we almost hit TP2. I don't like how price does that. Like it'll pull up to a certain point and then like pull back heavy and then go back up. It's like you almost can't put your stops at break even. You have to literally just keep it at your original stop loss because a lot of times price will come right back to your entry, which is annoying, it's frustrating. I'll go back to Trading View. So we'll see if we get stopped at a break even. Okay, got a nice push up again. See if we continue to push up. So I'm gonna close the live here, guys. So we'll see if we end up hitting TP3, but I'm just gonna let it run. Stops are at break even. So of course, if we do get stopped out again, we'll just take a loss of $4. So we'll come back next week. So appreciate you guys popping on as always. This is day 5 of the $50 account. We are still down, but that's okay. We will build this account back up with our risk management and all that. So do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions or anything, please leave a comment down below. Follow me on IG, Mickey_Pips. I post all my trades there as well, so you can follow my journey. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. And it's Breezy Bowl weekend, so me and the wife are actually going to see Breezy, Chris Brown. So super excited. It's actually tonight here in Vegas at Allegiant Stadium. So definitely excited about that. So you guys have a great weekend, and we will see you next week. Peace.